Looking for teacher training to build or deepen your project-based learning practice in a way that works for you? Our open online workshops are designed for individual educators and small teams who want high-quality professional learning, delivered wherever you are. Learn from experts. These immersive experiences are led by our expert national faculty and combine direct instruction, video analysis, hands-on work, resource sharing, and meaningful peer collaboration. And with several dates offered throughout the year, you can choose the session that works for you. Explore offerings like PBL 101, an introduction to Gold Standard project-based learning, PBL coaching, for those supporting implementation in schools and districts, social-emotional learning in PBL, and PBL leadership, designed for those leading and sustaining change. Attendees often share how meaningful it is to make connections with educators from across the country and around the world. Our online format delivers the same exceptional quality as our in-person workshops, with tools for connection and collaboration. Teachers and leaders consistently rate our professional learning as exceptional. Open online workshops are $599 for 3-day sessions and $200 for 1-day sessions. Join us and strengthen your project-based learning practice today.